students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to start exercise 3B of chapter 3, class 10, linear equations in two variables. Today we are going to discuss solving simultaneous linear equations, solving simultaneous system of linear equations by algebraic methods. Okay, so I have three methods to solve the simultaneous linear equation. First is substitution method, okay, and second is elimination method, and third is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication methods. In exercise 3B, we are studying about the substitution method and elimination method for solving the simultaneous linear equations. Okay, and our first examples, first questions: solve for x and y. Solve for x and y using substitution method. Using substitution method. 2x plus y equal to 7 and 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so let's start solution. Students, given system of linear equation is 2x plus y equal to 7. This is the equation first, and the 4x minus 3y equal to minus 1 equation second. 1 को उधर लेगा minus 1. Okay, this is the given system of linear equation. Students, solve this system of linear equation by the substitution method. So from equation first, 2x plus y equal to 7. So y equal to 7 minus 2x. First of all, in substitution method, in equation first or equation second, find the value of y or find the value of x in the, find the value of y in the terms of x or find the value of x in terms of y. या तो हम y का वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे x के टर्म से, या x का वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे y के टर्म से. दोनों से कोई एक काम करेंगे. एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y पुट इन इक्वेशन 2. ओके, सो the value of y put in equation second. So 4x minus 3y, 3 और y का वैल्यू 7 माइनस 2x. so 3x इक्वल y का वैल्यू क्या है 7 माइनस 2x. 7 माइनस 2x इक्वल टू माइनस 1. Okay, so this imply 4x 7 3 ja remove bracket 21 minus into minus plus 3 2 ja 6x equal to minus 1. Okay, and 6x or 4x equal to 10x equal to 21 minus 1. So 10x equal to 20 and 10 2 ja 20. The value of x equal to 2. Okay, and the value of y equal to 7 minus 2x. So 7 minus 2 multiplied 2 equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So students, the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Students, our next examples: solve for x and y. Solve for x and y using elimination method. Using elimination method. 10x plus 3y equal to 75 and 6x minus 5y equal to 11. Okay, so let's start. Given system of equation, (10x plus 3y equal to 75). This is equation first, and 6x minus 5y equal to 11. Equation second. So in elimination method में इस दोनों इक्वेशन में किसी भी एक टर्म्स को या तो y वाले टर्म्स को हम सेम कर लेंगे, है ना, जैसे यहाँ 3y और -5y है, तो ये दोनों को आपस में इक्वल कर लेंगे, तो दोनों को ऐड करने पर काट देंगे, या फिर हम x वाले टर्म्स को आपस में इक्वल करेंगे, दोनों में से कोई एक इक्वल करेंगे। तो हम दोनों में इक्वल करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे कि 10x + 3y = 75 है, तो हम y वाले टर्म्स को इक्वल करेंगे, तो 3y में अगर हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें और सेकेंड में हम क्या करेंगे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। इक्वेशन फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग 1/5 and 2/3, multiplying 1/5 and 2/3. So multiplying equation 1/5 and equation 2/3. Okay, so 10x multiply 5, 10x multiply 5 equal to 50x, 10 5 जा 50x plus 3y multiply 5, 5 3 जा 15y equal to 75, 5 जा 5 5 जा 25 to 375. Okay, and 6x multiply 3, 18x, and 5 3 जा 15 minus 15y equal to 11 3 जा 33. Okay, this is equation third and this is equation 4. So adding 3 and 4 we get, adding 3 and 4 we get. Okay, so 50x plus 15y equal to 375. Okay, and 18x minus 15y equal to 33. ऐड करने पर साइन चेंज नहीं होगा, क्योंकि सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर साइन चेंज होता है, ऐड करने पर ऐसे ही रहेगा। 15x + 15 - 15 कैंसिल, और 15x + 18x 68x equal to 538 408. Okay, and x equal to 408/68, 17 4 जा 68 and 72 जा 34 and 74 जा 24, 4 6 जा 24 equal to 6. So the value of x equal to 6. The value of x equal to 6, and put the value of x in equation first or equation 2 any. Okay, so put the value of x in equation first. So first equation is 10x plus 3y equal to 75. So 10 and put the value of x equal to 6 plus 3y equal to 75. This implies 60 plus 3y equal to 75. 3y equal to 75 minus 60 equal to 15, and y equal to 15/3. 3 5 ja 15. So put the value of y equal to 5. So students, x equal to 6 and y equal to 5 is the solution of this system of linear equations, and this method is called the elimination method. Okay, friends, let's start exercise 3b. So exercise 3b question number 7 for solve for x and y. x/2 minus y/9 equal to 6. Okay, and x/7 plus y/3 equal to 5. This is the given system of linear equations. Okay, so now let's start solution. So x/2 minus y/9 equal to 6. Take LCM. First of all, take LCM. 18 2 9 जा 18, 9x and -9 2 जा 18, 2y equal to 6. So by cross multiplication 9x minus 2y, 18 6 जा 108. This is equation first. Okay, and next is x by 7 plus y by 3 equal to 5. For take LCM 21, 7 3 ja 21, 3x plus 3 7 ja 21, 7y equal to 5. And by cross multiplication 3x plus 7y equal to 21, 5 ja 105. This is equation 2. Okay, and solve these equations for any method, substitution method or elimination method. So now friends, solve this system of linear equation by the substitution method. So from equation first 9x minus 2y equal to 108. So 2y equal to 9x minus 108 and y equal to 9x minus 108 by 2. This is the value of y, and put the value of y in equation 2. From equation 2, 3x plus 7 and the value of y equal to 9x minus 108 by 2 equal to 105. So first of all take LCM 2, 3 2 is 6x plus 7 into 9x minus 108 equal to 105. Okay, this implies 6x plus 9 7 is 53x and 7 multiply 108 plus minus minus 756 equal to, by cross multiplication 105 multiplied to 210. So 63x and 6x, 969x equal to 756 plus 210 equal to 6 9. For x equal to 966 by 69. 23 3 ja 69, 92 23 गुनी 46 14. So the value of x equal to 14 and the value of y from here, y equal to 9 multiply 14 minus 108 by 2. 14 9 is 126 minus 108 by 2. 8. 1 by 2. 2 9 is 18 equal to 9. So students, x equal to 14 and y equal to 9 is the solution of this system of linear equations. Okay friends, next question number 30. Given system of linear equation is 0.4x plus 0.3y equal to 1.7 and 0.7x minus 0.2y equal to 0.8. So this is equation first and this is equation second, and equation first multiply 10 and equation 2 multiply 10, because all decimal point shifting right side after the one digit. Okay, so 0.4 multiply 10 equal to 4x plus 0.3 multiply 10 equal to 3y and 1.7 multiply 10 that is 17. Equation third. Okay, and this is the 0.7 multiply 10 that is the 7x minus 0.2 multiply 10, that is the 2y equal to 8, equation 4. Okay, and students, multiplying equation 3 is 2 and 3. ओके, तो दिस टर्म्स को, इस टर्म्स को इक्वल करने के लिए हम इक्वेशन थर्ड में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किए एंड इक्वेशन 4 में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किए एंड नाउ एडिंग इक्वेशन थर्ड एंड 4. सो 2 4 2 जा 8x और प्लस 3 2 जा 6y इक्वल टू 17 2 जा 34. 7 multiply 3 21x and 2y multiply 3 3 2 ja 6y and 8 3 ja 24. Adding equation third and 4, cancel 6 and 6y minus 6y, 8x and 21x equal to 29x equal to 4 4 8 and 3 2 5. 29 2 ja 58, that is the value of x equal to 2. And put the value of x in equation first and equation third and 4, first and to any. Okay, so from equation third 4x plus 3y equal to 17, and put the value of x in equation third, that is the 4 multiply 2 plus 3y equal to 17. 4 2 ja 8 plus 3y equal to 17. So 3y equal to 17 minus 8 equal to 9. So y equal to 9 by 3. 3 3 ja 9. The value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. This is the solution of this given system of linear equations. Okay. Our next question is question number 15. Solve for x and y of the given system of linear equation. That is the 7 into y plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 2 equal to 14, and 4 into y minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 2. First of all, let's start solution. First of all, 7 into y, 7y, and 7 3 ja 21 minus 2x and 2 2 ja 4 minus 4 equal to 14. So 7y and minus 2x, 7y minus 2x equal to 21 minus 4 equal to 17. 17 plus 17 and 14 minus 17. So 7y minus 2x equal to minus 3. Okay, this is the equation first. And now 4 into y, 4y minus 4 2 ja 8 plus 3x and plus minus minus 3 3 ja 9 equal to 2, and 4y minus 8 and plus 3x and minus 17 equal to 2. That is the 4y plus 3x equal to 17 or to 19 equation. Okay, so this is the 7y minus 2x equal to minus 3, and this is the 4y plus 3x equal to 19. So equation first, multiply by 3, 3 2 is 6x minus 6x, and this is the plus 6x multiply by 2, multiplying 1 by 3 and multiplying 2 by 2. Okay, so and adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2 we get. So 3 7 3 ja 21y and 2 3 ja 6 minus 6x equal to 3 minus 3 multiply 3 3 3 ja 9 minus 9, and next is 4y multiply 2 4 2 ja 8y plus 3 2 ja 6x equal to 19 2 ja 38. Adding both 6x minus 6x cancel, 21y plus 8y, 29y, and 38 minus 9, that is the 29. Twenty-nine cancel, that is the y equal to 1. Okay, and put the value of 1 in equation first and second any. So from equation 1, 7y minus 2x equal to minus 3. 7y minus 2x equal to minus 3. That is the put the value of y equal to 1. So that is the 7 multiply 1 minus 2x equal to minus 3. So 2x equal to 7 and minus 3 plus 3 equal to 10, and 2 5 ja 10, and y equal to 5. So x equal to 5. So x equal to 5 and y equal to 1 is the solution of this given system of linear equations. Okay.